and 5.
The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Fulton County, southern Knox County, southwestern Peoria County until 6:30 p.m. At 5:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fairview, or near Canton, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. A line of storms behind that are located from roughly there to Smithfield, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Those spotter indicate the line of storms further southwest is producing intense straight-line winds. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. The storms further southwest are producing strong winds, while the storm near Fairview is producing mainly hail. This severe thunderstorm will be near Farmington around 5:50 p.m. Elmwood and Yates City around 6 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Trevoli and Brimfield. This includes the following highways: Interstate 474 between mile markers 0 and 5. Interstate 74 between mile markers 42 and 91.